IRS Refund Status, how to use TurboTax Refund Status Tracker. The TurboTax Refund Status Tracker is a convenient tool provided by TurboTax to help users monitor the status of their tax refunds after filing their returns. Here's a detailed overview. What is the TurboTax Refund Status Tracker? The Refund Status Tracker is an online tool that allows you to check the status of your e-filed tax return, track the progress of your federal and state tax refunds, stay updated on whether your return has been accepted, approved, or sent by the IRS. How it works. 1. Access the tracker. Visit the TurboTax Refund Status Tracker page, https://turbotax.intuit.com/tax-tool/e-file-status-lookup, or use the TurboTax mobile app to enter your information, provide your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Enter your filing status, example single, married filing jointly. Input the exact refund amount as shown on your tax return. 3. View your status. The tracker will display the current status of your refund in 3 stages. Return received. The IRS has received your tax return. Refund approved. Your refund has been approved and is being processed. Refund sent. Your refund has been sent to your bank or mailed to you. Additional features. Push notifications. If you use the TurboTax app, you can enable notifications to receive updates on your refund status. E-file status lookup. The tool also allows you to check the status of your e-file submission, ensuring it was successfully transmitted to the IRS. Why use it? Convenience. Easily track your refund without needing to contact the IRS directly. Get the latest information on your refund status. Secure access. TurboTax ensures your data is protected with industry-standard encryption. Tips for using the tracker. Wait at least 24 hours after e-filing before checking your refund status. For mailed paper returns, wait 4 weeks before using the tracker. The IRS updates refund statuses once a day, typically overnight. The TurboTax Refund Status Tracker is a user-friendly tool that simplifies the process of monitoring your tax refund. If you'd like to explore it further, you can find it here, https://turbotax.intuit.com/tax-tool/e-file-status-lookup.